Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Arju, education loan. Okay, Arju, please introduce.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Arzu Prasad. Currently, I am in ICICI Bank as a relationship manager in education loan department. I have worked here since 5 years in banking sector, and initial after completion of my MBA in marketing and finance, I have joined ICICI Bank. For first 1 year, I was posted in branch banking as a privileged banker. Then after that, I got transferred into education loan department. The after transfer, the initial 2 years I worked in synergy with government banking GBG department, especially on student credit card. And then after that, I was after 2 years, currently I'm working in synergy with retail branch banking.
Any award, recognition, certificate?
Yes, sir. I have done IR, like I have completed since I was from branch banking. I've completed AMFI and IRB certification as well.
What is ULIP plan?
ULIP is a kind of investment with life coverage, and which provide also provides life coverage, and it is it provides rebate on tax also under section 1010B, and it is investment plan where customer can has the
So
option to select.
how ULIP plan is different from other investment plan?
It is different as in if I say in terms of investment, we have got mutual fund, direct market. One is stock investment in stock market, which is directly linked to
Okay, what
market.
is ULIP? Tell me what is ULIP?
Unit linked plan, investment plan. So it is basically
Okay.
invest.
Since you are MFI also, so what is closed-ended and open-ended fund?
Uh, I currently cannot recall, sir.
So when you have did this certification, MPhil and IRDA certification, in which year?
In year 2020.
2020. So almost 5 years back.
Yes,
Prior
sir.
to join a bank or after joining a bank?
After joining, like since
Okay.
first 1 year I was working.
As you did your MBA in the field of marketing and finance, dual specialization, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
can you please elaborate what is consumer buying behavior and what are the different parameters under this CDD?
Consumer buying behavior. I Sorry, sir. Right now,
So how need is different from wants?
how need is different. Need is something which is the primarily, like there are three segments: need, demand, need, want, and luxury. So in that, need is something which is basic requirement, like roti kapra makan, as we say. And then is wants. Then again, like want, which is additionally required, like refrigerator is required in daily running a life, like television, mobile phones. These are the things which is additionally required for moving life.
Okay,
This
so
is
mobile is not the need of the day. Mobile is the want of the day. This is what you wanted to say?
mobile phone is, yes, sir, as per my knowledge, like mobile is want
Okay.
because
As
primarily need.
the desk you are handling with is education loan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the different types of segment or plan or banking product related to the education loan in your bank, and what are the features? In short, please explain me the features of education loan in your bank.
Okay. Features, as in like I need to say what are the different offers we give to the student. Is it
Yes, yes.
the question? If I'm okay. So basically, if I we fund up to 3 CR for education loan, which is mainly required by students who are approaching for abroad courses. There are two type of education loan. One is the student who are going abroad, and one is for in domestic customers. So minimum our ticket size minimum is starting from 7 lakhs and up to 3 CR. two type are secured and unsecured. Secured, where we take fixed deposits and property as a collateral, and unsecured, where we completely provide on the basis of income of co-applicant, financial guarantor. Again, yeah, of course, if the loan is secured by property, then there also like uh, financial guarantors income is required. So, and additionally, in-depth knowledge, if I
So
talk,
guarantor in education loan is required as per your bank's norms.
yes, sir, financial guarantor is required.
It should not be co-applicant. Other than co-applicant, you require financial guarantor. If
No, sir,
already mortgage collateral we have,
actually, sir, financial co-applicant is required. Like guarantor is a different term I have used mistakenly, but
hmm,
it is actually the term is financial co-applicant. Only financial
co-applicant
co-app.
is required.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So guarantor is not required as per your bank also, as per the
Ye-
norms of Reserve Bank of India
Yes,
also, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you provide any unsecured education loan?
Yes, sir. Unsecured we definitely provide, and unsecured limit is up to 1 CR and starting from 7 lakhs. It is completely based on co-applicant's income.
No, no, I'm. Mhm.
Okay. And additionally, like there are two variant in this as well. If the person who is going for executive courses, like he or she is employed and going for executive course in that scenario and will be working. So in that scenario, we provide up to 5 years of tenure. With 5 years of tenure, and as a non-financial co-applicant also, we can
No, no.
process the loan.
I'll just tell you one thing that
Yes,
unsecured loan you provide starting from quantum 7 to 1 CR, 7
yes,
lakh
sir.
to 1
But
CR
yes, sir. Once a year,
on the
unsecured.
basis of the salary proof of the co-applicant only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On the basis of income. Income and civil, oh, of course. Civil is the
Income
basic
and civil
parameter.
only. So suppose
Yes.
the co-applicant or the applicant also is not able to repay the loan, what will you do?
If the customer is not being first, initially, I will try to understand what is the reason. Like it at times, what we regularly see is because of
No, that
auto
is
debit.
okay. That is okay. You do every demand notice, legal notice, whatever there was, you can do. You did all the efforts. Now you
So it
came
is
to know that
intentional. Okay, you are telling like
it
if
may
it
be
is intentional.
it may be intentional, or there may be the applicant didn't get job, or the co-applicant has resigned, or company has lay off him also. So they
Okay.
don't have any financial capacity to repay the loan. Then now the loan become NPA, and the loan which you have given on the basis of the salary is totally unsecured. So what are the parameters, or what are the process or steps by which you can recover the bad debts?
Sir, as per as I am aware, like bank can suit a file if the customer is unable to repay.
What do you mean by suit? What is suit filing?
Suit filing is like making a complaint, like can approach in like take the help of court for repayment.
What court will do when there is no collateral property attached? What court will do? They will only advise to the applicant and co-applicant, please repay or go with OTS or Lok Adalat. So what is the value and what is the meaning of filing OTS? Suit filing.
Okay, sir. Sorry, I have.
Okay. So since the unsecured loan starts from 7 lakh to 1 CR, what about below 7 lakhs loan? If some undergraduate or graduation degree having total cost of rupees 3.5 lakh, can't you lend?
Yeah, in that scenario, sir, we just suggest customer two things. One is student credit card, which is prevailing in West Bengal. We suggest, or they can go for Vidya Lakshmi portal, like applying via Vidya Lakshmi portal. Normally, what we do is student credit card. We suggest from there mostly because the ticket size is
So
less.
this is
They have
also a kind of unsecured loan. Up to 7
student
lakh
credit.
is also comes under unsecured loan.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if the loan is unsecured, do you take the guarantee or insurance of the loan?
If the
Have you ever heard the name of CGTSME or
yes, sir.
CGFUI? What is this? Do
Credit.
these guarantee, okay, do these grade guarantee coverage is also with education loan? Can we take the guarantee from CGTSME also in education loan cases?
Yeah, as far as I know, because I worked in student credit card, there that limit was up to 10 lakhs. So there we used to like apply for credit guarantee. Like under credit guarantee scheme, we were able to, because the ticket size was less. But here, since the ticket size is high, so here we do not go for this process, and we only see the overall profiling of the customer. Like if the customer is fully capable of paying on, like mostly we do it at underwriting stage only, like
Okay, what
we
do you
and the
mean by underwriting? What is underwriting?
underwriting is what we initially check, like the checkpoints we check, mostly this is done by credit managers, like this part of the thing. And there what as far as I know, like there what they do is, as per the basic checkpoints, the credit norms, they check the
Okay, so
customers.
while documentation, while post-sanction of the loan, do you take any security instrument like check, like NACH, mandate, whatever from the customer or borrower?
Yes, sir. In case of like at the time of post sanction, after sanction, we collect a few documents from customer, in which it includes like if the customer is having ICICI bank account, we do the auto debit part. The account, like EMI would be automatically debited from customer's account, and again NACH also if the customer do not have account with us. But mostly we follow auto debit part for
Do you also
security.
obtain some blank checks, some PDC checks, blank check?
PDC check, no sir, now we do not follow because mostly we go for auto debit part. Earlier, we used to
Okay.
collect five
So,
PDC checks.
okay, Arju, if customer is not able to pay 3 or 4 EMI,
Hmm.
right? So,
Okay.
what will you do?
It goes after three
Is
EMI.
there is there any provision? Is there any provision by which you can case under the law of courts in case of fail of mandate fail of NACH?
There is, sir, as far as like I'm not like being able to recall it now, because after 90 days the case becomes NPA and there is some provision, but I'm not clear about this right now.
Right. So we have declared our quarter 2 result yesterday only. So may I know what is the gross NPA, net NPA, profit, and advances and deposit figure? These 5 figures have you gone through?
No, sir. Right now, recently I haven't checked this.
Quarter 2 result you haven't gone through?
So was preparing for other points as well, and
Hmm.
parallelly was having like daily office as well. So
Hmm. Okay. So what is the meaning of your name?
Arzu, sir, it means, if I say in Hindi, it is actually a Urdu term. It means chahat.
Okay. So you have chahat to be the CBO in SBI? If so, why?
Yes, sir, definitely. I do have. It is because I am like keen to join because of SBI's. First of all, though SBI is public sector, largest public sector bank, which is the biggest reason for me to like.
What do
It
you
is like
mean
a
by public sector? What do you mean by public sector? Because the bank where you are working is a private sector. Now
yes,
where
sir.
you want to be is a public sector. So what is public and private? Who categorize
Public.
these banks? Hmm.
It is actually done by like public sector is mostly the nationalized bank, I can say, which is whose core main primary motto is to serve the people. Of course, for private bank also it is the same thing, but then for private bank they cater for HNI customer mainly, but for public sector bank they have like they need to go for like cater into remote areas as well, and uh, go for but like if I can switch in Hindi, like if you're
So
okay. Like
sorry?
public sector bank, if I can switch in Hindi, sir, like
Yes, yes,
if you're
please.
हाँ, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक का ज्यादातर फोकस रहता है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिमोट एरिया में विजिबिलिटी बढ़ाए, ज्यादा से ज्यादा
अच्छा ठीक है,
फिनेंशियल इंक्लूजन।
एक चीज बताओ आरजू, अगर आरआरबी भी तो रिमोट एरिया में काम कर रही है, तो व्हाई
हाँ।
वी डू नॉट कंसिडर आरआरबी एज ए पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक? आरआरबी पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक है क्या? नहीं है ना।
नहीं सर।
तो अगर फंक्शन के हिसाब से हम अगर डिवीजन करने लगे, तब तो आरआरबी एक पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक होनी चाहिए थी, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक भी एक पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक होनी चाहिए थी।
हाँ।
तो आपकी आईसीआईसीआई बैंक भी किसी न किसी विलेज में है, रूरल एरिया में, सेमी रूरल में काम कर रही है, तो
हाँ।
वो भी तो
हाँ।
काम कर रही है। तो क्यों हम
मतलब
बोलते हैं पब्लिक सेक्टर है?
पब्लिक सेक्टर और प्राइवेट सेक्टर में अगर आप, मतलब अगर आप मुझे मेरे से ये पूछ रहे हैं प्राइमरीली क्या डिफरेंस है, तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर है कि इज कंट्रोल्ड, पब्लिक सेक्टर इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट, in some banks 50% or in some bank 100%, like as far as I sir.
हम्म।
And private sector is controlled by, like, by few, like, I'm not being able to explain actually.
नो नो इशू। सो अगर आपकी पोस्टिंग बहुत दूर हो जाती है, कैसे मैनेज करोगे आप?
Posting दूर हो जाती है सर. I have worked in, like, if I have worked in Calcutta from initial phase, but then in several locations I have explored. Like initially I was working in Salt Lake, then again I worked in Paliganj area, which was quite far from my residential place. I'm staying in Madhyam Gram. Again I was again transferred to Damdam zone, and after that, like, multiple areas I have explored. So I don't think I will have much problem. Rather, I
व्हाट
will
इज योर
get
करंट
a.
सीटीसी?
It's a 7 LPA.
हाउ मच विल यू विल गेट, यू नो, इन सीबीओ?
Not exactly, but above 10 lakhs, as far as I know.
यस, ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
मतलब किसी तरह कन्विंस कर देना है, यही तुम्हारा उद्देश्य है ना? सर, लो मैंने बोल दिया, अभी आप देखते बैठो कि सही है या गलत। मैंने तो बोल दिया, अपनी बातें रख दी। कि पब्लिक सेक्टर को प्राइवेट सेक्टर से अलग करने में इतनी परेशानी क्यों हो रही थी तुमको? गांव में है, ये करेंगे वो करेंगे। अरे सीधी
सर
सी
मैं
बात है,
कोई.
द बैंक इन विच गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टेक इज मोर देन 51%, द बैंक विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक। एक सिंपल सा लॉजिक है। द बैंक वेयर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टेक इज लेस देन 51%, इट विल बी
वो
ट्रीटेड एज प्राइवेट
वो तो
सेक्टर
सर
बैंक।
आरआरबी में भी तो वही होता है ना शायद, मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. आपने आरआरबी बोला है,
आरआरबी
तो.
में द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ स्टेट is 35%,
ओके.
and the contribution of lead bank is 15%।
ओके.
ठीक है।
हाँ.
और
हाँ.
कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इज 50%, नॉट 51।
ओके, आरआरबी में, और इसमें 51%
तो
एंड
मैंने,
मोर पब्लिक सेक्टर से. सर एक क्वेश्चन था बस. पब्लिक सेक्टर और नेशनलाइज में क्या डिफरेंस रहता है? ये मैंने गूगल बहुत किया लेकिन मेरे को समझ नहीं आया.
तभी तो मैं जुड़ गया ना आपके साथ। जो गूगल से आपको नहीं मिल सकता वो मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ। पब्लिक सेक्टर सुनो पहले क्या होता है। पब्लिक सेक्टर का, अगर नॉर्मल भाषा में बिल्कुल लो लेवल लैंग्वेज में बताऊं तो, नेशनलाइज बैंक्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक। तो पब्लिक सेक्टर
हाँ.
बैंक एक कैटेगरी है, जिस कैटेगरी के आधार पे हम बोलते हैं एज ऑन डेट देयर आर 12 पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक इन इंडिया,
हाँ. हाँ.
एंड एज ऑन डेट देयर आर 11 नेशनलाइज बैंक्स इन इंडिया। एसबीआई को हम नेशनलाइज बैंक में कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं, और इस कारण से एसबीआई आईबीपीएस में शामिल नहीं है।
अच्छा. तो
अभी समझ में आया कि अभी पहले मेरे को बोलने दो, अभी कुछ मत बोलो, सब समझ जाओगी बाय द एंड ऑफ माय लास्ट
हाँ.
सेंटेंस। So
हाँ.
there are 12 public sector bank. Out of these 12 public sector bank, 11 are nationalized bank, and State Bank is of course since inception is a public sector bank.
हाँ.
तो
हाँ.
इस 12 में गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के जो स्टेक है 51% प्लस है। अभी बात आती है कि सर फिर नेशनलाइजेशन वर्ड कहाँ से आ गए? तो
हाँ.
जितनी भी बैंक आप देखते हो, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, यूनियन बैंक है ना, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, जो आज के डेट में 11 है, ये
हाँ.
पहले
हाँ.
प्राइवेट बैंक हुआ करते थे। दीज banks were a private sector bank like ICICI and HDFC Bank.
ओके।
तो वहां पे एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनी, उनका नाम था इंदिरा गांधी।
हाँ हाँ।
इंदिरा गांधी ने इन बैंकों, प्राइवेट बैंकों को बोला कि आप तो एक कस्टमर को लोन नहीं देते हो, छोटे कस्टमर को अपने पास आने तक नहीं देते हो, तो चाहे तो अपने बैंक को बंद कर लो या फिर आप गवर्नमेंट के साथ आके मिल जाओ।
हाँ।
तो दो फेज में बैंकों के नेशनलाइजेशन हुए। नेशनलाइजेशन का मतलब है फ्रॉम प्राइवेटाइजेशन टू पब्लिक। और जो ये हुआ इसको हम बोलते हैं नेशनलाइजेशन, मतलब भारतीयकरण, राष्ट्रीयकरण हम बोलते हैं। मतलब पहले प्राइवेट, आज आपकी जो आईसीआईसीआई बैंक है, एचडीएफसी बैंक है, वो प्राइवेट बैंक है। ये
हम्म।
सरकार के अधीन आ जाएगी तो उस टर्म को हम बोलेंगे नेशनलाइजेशन। बट योर बैंक विल बी ट्रीटेड एज पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक।
ठीक है।
तो अभी तक भारत में सिर्फ दो ही बार नेशनलाइजेशन हुए हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम, और दोनों बार जो नेशनलाइजेशन किया है वो इंदिरा गांधी ने किया है। फर्स्ट टाइम 19th of July 1969, 14 banks got nationalized। और दूसरी बार 15th of April 1980 where 6 बैंक got nationalized। तो 14 प्लस 6 कितने हो गए? 20 बैंक हो गए। तो
हम्म।
20 बैंक बाय द एंडिंग ऑफ द ईयर 1980 वाज नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक। लेकिन 1993 में एक बैंक थी, न्यू बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, विच वाज मर्ज विद पंजाब नेशनल बैंक। तो सिंस 1993 टिल 2017 टोटल नंबर ऑफ नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक रिमेन वाज 19। और अभी 4-5 सालों से जो आप देख रही हैं कि ये जो 19 नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक थी, ये धीरे धीरे मर्ज होता गया और आज के डेट में 11 है। तो 11 बैंक्स आर नेशनलाइज्ड बैंक्स। दोज बैंक्स वो जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक, बट दे आर द पार्ट ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक। तो पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक एक तमगा है जो उनको मिला हुआ है क्योंकि भारत सरकार का उसमें भाग है। लेकिन नेशनलाइजेशन हम इस कारण से उनको बोल दिए क्योंकि वो प्राइवेट से वो सरकारीकरण हुआ, इस कारण से उनको हम नेशनलाइज बोल दिए। एसबीआई का कभी से नेशनलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि एसबीआई का ओरिजिन जब से हमने किया कि बैंक ऑफ बंगाल, बैंक ऑफ मद्रास, बैंक ऑफ बॉम्बे थी, और
हम्म।
1806, 1840, 1843 की ये अलग अलग बैंकें थी, और इनको मर्ज करके हमने इंपीरियल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 1921 में बनाया। और इसी इंपीरियल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 1921 का जो बैंक थी, जो आरबीआई से पहले भारत की मनी मार्केट रेगुलेटर थी, उसी को रीनेम करके हमने 1 जुलाई 1955 में एसबीआई का नाम दे दिया। तो एसबीआई कभी से प्राइवेट बैंक थी ही नहीं। अभी मतलब समझ में आया पब्लिक बैंक क्या, पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक क्या होती है, नेशनलाइज बैंक क्या होती है?
हाँ।